17 uses for baby oil everyone should know. Baby oil is a staple in nurseries, but it's actually far more versatile than you might think. Beyond keeping baby bottoms soft, this product transcends its original purpose, offering solutions for beauty, home care, and even minor emergencies. Its gentle formula makes it an excellent candidate for a myriad of uses you might never have considered. Here are some unexpected ways baby oil can make life a little easier and more luxurious. Number 1. Moisturizing body oil. Applying baby oil can work wonders after a relaxing bath while your skin is still slightly damp. The oil helps lock in moisture, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and soft for longer. It's a cost-effective alternative to high-end moisturizers and leaves your skin with a subtle, healthy glow. Perfect for those dry winter months or when your skin needs a little extra TLC. Number 2. Eye makeup remover. That smoky eye looks great at 8 p.m., but by midnight, it's more raccoon than ravishing. Baby oil on a cotton ball gently removes the remnants of your makeup masterpiece without tugging at your delicate eye area. This method is economical and also kind to your skin, as it prevents the dryness and irritation often caused by commercial makeup removers. Number 3. Waxing aid. Waxing is a popular choice for hair removal, but it can leave your skin feeling tender and sticky. Applying baby oil gently over the waxed areas can help soothe the skin and remove any stubborn wax bits. This not only makes for a more comfortable post-waxing experience, but also keeps your skin smooth and free from irritation. Number 4. Self-tanning smoother. Self-tanner mishaps can leave you with streaks and uneven patches. If you notice a mistake before the tanner dries, rubbing baby oil on the affected area can help even out the color. Let the oil sit for a few minutes and gently buff it with a soft cloth. It'll help blend your tan into a smooth, envy-inducing bronze that says, "Just back from the Riviera," instead of, "Just had a mishap with a paint roller." Number 5. Shave gel substitute. Out of shave gel? Baby oil's got your back, and legs, and armpits, or any other area you're shaving. This slick liquid creates a protective barrier that allows the razor to glide effortlessly, thereby reducing the risk of razor burn and ensuring a smooth, close shave. Plus, it leaves your skin feeling silky and moisturized. Number 6. Adhesive bandage remover. Removing adhesive bandages can be a tearful affair, especially for little ones. But fear not, because saturating the bandage with baby oil can loosen the adhesive, allowing for pain-free removal. This gentle approach is reassuring for children and adults alike, making it easier to deal with minor cuts and scrapes without adding to the discomfort. Number 7. Nail polish frame. Achieving a professional manicure at home can be challenging, especially keeping the nail polish within the lines. By applying baby oil around your cuticles before you start painting, you create a barrier that prevents the polish from adhering to your skin. It's an easy trick that can make your DIY manicure look sleek and professional, with minimal cleanup required. Number 8. Hair frizz tamer. Combat frizz without resorting to expensive hair products. A tiny amount of baby oil rubbed between your fingers and applied to the ends of your hair can tame frizz and add shine. This simple solution keeps your hair looking smooth and well managed, without the greasy residue that heavier products can leave behind. Number 9. Ring loosener. Swollen fingers at day's end can make removing rings difficult and uncomfortable. The next time your ring clings to your finger, like a koala to a tree, remember that baby oil can help. Simply massage a small amount around the ring to reduce friction, and it will slide off easily. No more pulling, tugging, or twisting in discomfort. Number 10. Steel or chrome shiner. Dull stainless steel or chrome surfaces can shine like new with a bit of baby oil. A small dab on a soft cloth can clean and polish these surfaces, removing smudges and fingerprints for a gleaming finish. It's an easy and inexpensive way to keep your kitchen appliances, bathroom fixtures, and even car rims and golf clubs looking their best. Number 11. Wood duster. Dusting with baby oil can transform the chore into a treat for your wooden furniture. A light coating of oil on a cloth picks up dust effectively, and a follow-up polish with a dry cloth brings out the natural beauty of the wood. This technique effortlessly cleans and conditions your wooden surfaces, protecting them from drying out and cracking over time. Number 12. Dashboard cleaner. The dashboard of your car can show wear and tear over time, with scratches and scuffs marring its appearance. Rubbing a small amount of baby oil on the dashboard can minimize these imperfections and enhance the overall look of your car's interior. Not only does this easy fix improve the aesthetics, but it also adds a layer of protection against further damage. Number 13. Lock lubricant. A sticky lock can be a nuisance that disrupts your day. Before reaching for chemical lubricants, try baby oil. A few drops applied to your key or directly into the lock can smoothen the mechanism, so you can stop jiggling it like you're trying to crack a safe. It's the non-criminal solution to a smoother life. Number 14. Air freshener. Keep your bathroom smelling fresh with a discreet application of baby oil. A few drops inside the toilet paper roll act as a gentle air freshener, releasing a light fragrance every time the roll is used. This simple hack maintains a pleasant atmosphere in one of the most frequented rooms in your home. Number 15. Leather conditioner. Leather goods require regular care to stay supple and prevent cracking. Baby oil can condition leather shoes, bags, and furniture, keeping them soft and extending their lifespan. This gentle treatment is an inexpensive alternative to commercial leather conditioners and can be done at home with just a few drops. Number 16. Latex paint remover. Got latex paint all over your hands after painting a room? Sometimes that paint might just peel right off, but other times it finds its way into every nook and cranny, especially around your knuckles and in the folds of your skin. Here's a little trick. Massage those paint-covered spots with baby oil using circular motions. It'll help lift the paint right off, making cleanup a breeze and keeping your skin happy. Number 17. Zipper fixer. Dealing with a stuck zipper can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution right at your fingertips. Grab some baby oil and apply it gently to the zipper using a cotton swab. Carefully work the oil into the zipper's teeth until it starts moving smoothly again. Just be cautious during this process to avoid getting oil on the garment's main fabric, as this could cause staining. With a bit of patience and the proper technique, your zipper should be sliding effortlessly in no time. Who knew something so innocuous could be so versatile? Whether you're looking for beauty hacks, home care solutions, or just a quick fix for everyday problems, baby oil offers a plethora of ingenious uses. So next time you see that bottle in the store, remember that it's not just for babies. It's a multi-purpose marvel that deserves a spot in every household. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.